Hello and welcome everybody to our channel One to Step, where we teach you guys how we guys can fix a problem. In another word, this is a tutorial channel and we post tutorial videos, alright? And in today's tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can redeem your code in Genshin Impact. So basically a code is like, if you know what Amazon gift card is, there's also a gift card or like a code of Genshin Impact. And if you redeem that code, whatever thing that code is linked with, you guys are going to get it in Genshin Impact. Whether it could be the in-game currency of Genshin Impact, whether it could be a new character, new items, depend on which card you're trying to redeem, alright? So I'm just going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Genshin Impact code on your iOS. So basically Genshin Impact is not available in Android. So you got to use your iOS, or you either got to use your PC. All right. So let me show you guys how you guys can redeem it on your iOS. But before that, just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step. Let's move on. First step, you need to go to your Safari browser. And on your Safari browser, you want to write Genshin Impact Code Redeem. Once you search for Genshin Impact Code Redeem, scroll a bit down and click on Step into Vast Magical World Adventure over here. And it's going to take you to the official website where you guys can redeem your Genshin Impact code. So wait for some time. And over here, before redeeming your Genshin Impact code, you need to log in into your Genshin Impact account, which you need to do. So make sure to log in into it by clicking into log into redeem at the top and enter your username and log in into it. So I'm going to do that. Now, once you log in into your account, you want to click on select server and choose which server you play on. So I play an Asian server, so I'm going to choose Asian server. And over here where it says character nickname Witchy, so over here you need to make sure that the character's name Witchy, or like in my case it's Witchy because I named my Genshin Impact character Witchy. But in your case, you need to make sure that the character name shown over here is the one which you have. Because if it shows other character name, when you redeem the code, the gift you get from the code is going to go to another person. So you need to make sure the character name over here belongs to you. After you verify that the character name belongs to you, over here where it says enter redemption code, enter the code which you got from Genshin Impact. Click on redeem and your code should be redeemed if the code you entered over here is correct. And on your game, the thing which is linked with the code should be unlocked after redeeming it. Alright. So that's how you guys can redeem your Genshin Impact code using your iOS phone. You can also do this trick by using your laptop. You just need to go to a different browser rather than Safari. But the steps are going to be same. Alright. So that's how you guys can redeem your code in Genshin Impact. If you guys found our video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.